Traditional chemical engineering still branches off into these developing technology companies that are taking, let's say, wood and making bottles, or are taking stranded natural gas and making usable chemicals out of them rather than burning them.
We've worked with companies that are trying brand new technology that's never been done before, biofuels technologies along with recycling projects as well that no one's ever worked on before. So I think that is really cutting edge and getting process technology forward in our world and helping everybody.
We're doing plastics recycling on some projects, and we're working with a lot of new companies that are developing technology which could be taking the gas from fracking that right now is just being flared, and they're going to try to convert that, reverse that back from gas into methanol into higher level molecules that can then be blended into gasoline.